Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing fine. In case this is your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Sophia. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell so you get notified for new videos. Today we're going to be making this simple shampoo using just 2 natural ingredients. So guys, this is my hair a few months back while I experienced hair loss, and this is my hair after some months of using natural ingredients on my hair. It has really helped me a lot, so I'm sharing it with you guys. Today we're going to be using hibiscus as our first ingredient. I have mine already washed, and here I have 40 grams of hibiscus flower dried. You can use fresh one or dry one depending on the one you have available. And this is easy to get. You can get it on stores or you can get it online on Amazon. So when you use hibiscus flower on your hair, it has the ability to keep your hair from drying up, and it prevents split end. It also helps to keep moisture in your hair, and at the same time makes your hair silky, smooth and shiny. So those are some of the benefits of hibiscus flower when you use it on your hair. Next, I'm going to be using ginger powder. This ginger powder, I got it from a store, but you can get it also from Amazon. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of this ginger powder into my blender. You can also use fresh ginger. If you don't have the powder, you can use 1 medium-sized ginger to make this. So next, I added a little bit of water, and I'm going to go ahead now and blend it till it's smooth. It's not going to be that smooth, but at least smooth enough for the juice to come out. So before I forgot to mention the benefits of ginger. Ginger, when you use it on your hair, it helps to stimulate your hair follicles, which makes growth to occur, and it also helps circulation on your scalp and prevents dandruff. It has so many other vitamins that is beneficial for hair growth. So next, as you can see here, I'm just going to go ahead now to strain it, and I'll be using this straining cloth that I got from Amazon. I'll be using it to strain out the juice and separate it from the shaft. You can, if you don't have this, you can use any light leggings or paper towel to strain out your juice. Next, I'm going to be adding this my regular shampoo. Here I have 250 ml of shampoo, but inside is half, so I'm using half of it to make this. If you want to make more of this, you can increase your ingredients. The quantity of your ingredients, you increase it, and also you increase the quantity of shampoo that you add. I'm making this small amount because I'm using it for just one time. So as I'm adding it, I'm stirring it to mix everything together. So once I'm sure that all my ingredients is well mixed, I'm going to transfer it now to my application bottle. So this is my shampoo. This is how it is. If you make yours according to the instructions and all, you get exactly the same result. Now I'm going to be using it to wash my hair. I applied pre-poo on my hair before, that is why it's a bit wet. So I'm going to be using this to wash my hair. As you can see now, I'm applying it to the scalp. So once I'm done applying it, I will leave it on my hair for like 30 minutes before I go and wash it out, so that my scalp will absorb nutrients from the ingredients that I use on the shampoo. So this is my hair after washing up the shampoo. So you can see, I don't know if you notice, my hair is really soft and shiny. This shampoo has great benefits, and at the same time it also helps cleanse your scalp. So this is my hair looking bouncy and shiny. So make yours, guys, and come leave the comment below of how it was when you used it on your hair. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.